CSAB, you'll be happy to know I've already filed my ITR. Oh, that's nice. But I hope you declared your interest income properly. Kya CSAB? Why do I need to declare my interest income? I've already paid TDS on it, no? You know, this is a very common mistake made by a lot of people. How? You know, the first mistake is you are supposed to declare all the incomes in your ITR, but you forgot to mention your interest income. But I've already paid TDS now. See, the TDS that is deducted on your interest income is only 10%, but your tax bracket is 30%. So who's going to pay the balance 20% tax? Oh my god, ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं. And not only this, my friend, no TDS is deducted on the savings bank interest which is earned by you. So you have to declare it and pay tax on it. Guys, don't rely simply on the interest which is auto-populated in the ITR. Declare the interest according to the interest certificate. Follow CA Talkies for more such tips.